Elan Townhouses, Tilal Al Ghaf, and check out this incredible drive as we are coming in through the entrance of this brand new project, ready for handover by the beginning of 2023 next year. On our left hand side right now, you will see the townhouses are underway, under construction. In fact, they're right now behind us on my left, and if you look now through here to the left, you can see the update of the Tilal Elan Townhouses, ready for handover the beginning of next year. Very, very exciting. So today I come to you with this video to show you this stunning new community. It's a brand new master community. Why is it so popular with families? We have townhouses, villas, apartments coming, and a beautiful lagoon and beach. And the lagoon is just like something out of the Maldives. So right now we're driving up to the sales center, and there is nothing for sale because everything sells out here in minutes. These properties are commanding 20% premium from when the owners first bought them off plan. Now, if you check out a little bit on the left, you can see some more. These are individual villas that are currently under construction. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly run you down to have a little look at the lagoon here at the sales center.